Parang nandito tayo makasapit sa akin. Yes! Wow naman! Hindi na ako nakapagod. Wow naman! Pinahaba mo naman yung legs mo.
Finance on top of it, some sesame kimchi seeds, and some mushrooms, so and some bacon underneath. And for your cold dish, we have for your Wagyu beef tartare and homemade potato chips. Please use your wooden spoon, of course, for your chawan bushi, and your potato chips for your beef tartare.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat sa pagtang.
Of course.
Thank you.
Love you guys. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.